We're now on our way to our room. This is our room at Cebu Parklane at the 12th floor. The double lock. Did you put the key card? Ah, no need na on. They already have. So this is our room. Nice.
Okay.
No, I'll be nearer the window.
I'm not near the door.
Okay. Nice, no?
Yeah.
Nice food siya. Different type of nice. Oh, lavender. Is this real?
No.
And what is in front of us? I think that's Mandarin Hotel. Nice. I have two separate bed, but I think mine is bigger. Bigger akong bed, Bino. Nice. Now we can heat water. Ah, they have free water.
They have slippers.
Same with what hotel is that before?
I have others.
They also have that. They have
No, not.
sleepers. Sliding door. And this is the restroom. Nice. They have free toiletries. The usual. And the shower. Nice food. I wish I booked 2 nights. Scratch paper, a free face mask. Where's the remote? Over there. Nice imong bed, B. I like it. So, this is our room here at Cebu Parklane Hotel. We're on the 12th floor. Hi guys! Happy New Year! We are now here at Cebu Parklane Hotel to spend the New Year celebration. And today is December 31, New Year's Eve. 15 days after Typhoon Odette hit Cebu City, and until now, we still don't have electricity in our place. So we decided to spend the night here for the New Year, for a change, for a more comfortable and relaxing sleep. And we can also charge our gadgets. So I'm with my daughter Patricia, my usual companion, my travel buddy, my eating buddy, and all. So the room is very nice, and the floor is carpeted. Yeah, this is our first time to stay here, so I think we're gonna enjoy it. Unfortunately, the pool area is not available, so we cannot swim. No swimming, baby.
No?
It was damaged by Typhoon Odette, so no swimming today. But it's okay, the room is nice. Yeah. And outside, there's Mandarin Hotel in front of us. So I wish the electricity will be fully restored when we get back to our homes. So we need to rest for a while, and later on we might be touring around, since Ayala is just walking distance from this place. They actually have a small refrigerator here. Is it working, babe?
Yeah.
Give me the juice. Juice. We bought some outside Del Monte. Oops, what's that? There. The other one. Extra Coca-Cola. Can you put it here? No. Excuse me. I think it's dusty. And some Coke. Chocolate they give me. Oh, I have some Hershey's here. Yeah, that's it. It's very tidy. Concierge and the lobby. This is the entrance to Manuel's restaurant, where we had our breakfast buffet. And this is the elevators area going up. Is this a painting?
Welcome to my vlog. Nagkasunod naman.